Pi is a complex number. Is this statement true or false? The short answer is true, and I will explain why. The complex numbers have the form a plus bi. In this form, a is the real part, b is the imaginary part, and I is the imaginary unit. The complex numbers include all the real numbers and all the imaginary numbers. If in a complex number the imaginary part is 0, then that number is real. For example, in the complex number 5 plus 0i, the imaginary part is 0. Then we say that this number is the real number 5. Now, if in a complex number the imaginary part is not 0, then this number is imaginary. For example, 2 plus 7i is imaginary. Now, the real numbers include all the rational numbers and all the irrational numbers. The rational numbers are the numbers that we can write as fractions, where both the numerator and the denominator are integers. For example, 3 over 4 is a rational number. Negative 7 is also rational because we can write it as negative 7 over 1. Now, the irrational numbers are the numbers that are not rational. In decimal form, they are decimals that are neither repeating nor terminating. For example, square root of 5 is an irrational number. As a decimal, this is approximately 2.236. However, this decimal is not terminating and is not repeating. Number pi is another example of an irrational number. This number is approximately 3.14. The digits of number pi never stop and don't repeat. So, number pi is an irrational number, it is also a real number, and it is also a complex number. Thank you for watching the whole video, and I wish you a very nice day.